Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the GLADICER. It's a handheld spiralizer, 3-in-1 vegetable slicer, a veggie spiral cutter, or a zucchini spaghetti maker, adjustable spiral slicer for low-carb vegan meals. That's really cool because this can produce spaghetti without the standard pasta style. Oh yeah, it can make out of nearly every vegetable a really cool looking pasta-like delicious style meal. The blade of the spiralizer is made of high-quality stainless steel. Due to its compact size, it takes up minimal space and fits comfortably in the hand for precise and safe cutting. The lid part of the vegetable spiral protects our fingers from injury when we are going to use it, which not only helps us rotate the vegetables easily, but also minimize waste and gets more shattered vegetables. And just turn the button to change the modes. Quickly and efficiently, we cut fruits and vegetables into 3 different sizes of uniform and girly noodles. This makes healthy and tasty dish we want. And this zucchini spiralizer takes up no space. We open, design, accommodates long and round vegetables. Perfect for making low-carb vegetarian pasta with carrots or zucchini, cucumbers, beets, turnips, and many other healthy veggies. And quickly clean the spiralizer under running water. The vegetable spiralizer is small. It takes up a little space, and the compact design fits perfect in nearly every kitchen drawer. And it looks really delicious what you can make there without that. With this device, it's really easy. We cut a piece of a vegetable with straight ends about 8 centimeters long, and we push it into the spikes of the finger guard. According to our preference, we switch the knob to choose the suitable mode. We hold the vegetable spiralizer firmly and twist the lid lockwise to get veggie spiralized. We feel free to match different food and make a healthy and tasty dish we want, and then we can enjoy it. We keep it out of the reach of children because the blades is of course very sharp. Vegetables that are too hard or too soft are not suitable. We should choose fresh, long, or round vegetables, and we rotate lockwise when we are going to use it. We make preparing vegan meals a breeze. Do we want to consume more vegetables in our daily meals? Yes, of course, sir. Do we want to reduce the time to prepare vegetables meals? Oh yeah! This spiral cutter makes preparing vegetables meals a breeze. If we spiralize our vegetables, it only takes a few seconds. Perfect for preparing beautiful salads, vegetable toppings, or healthy snacks. And we enjoy veggie noodles with our kids. If we are like the most parents out there, getting our kids to eat their vegetables is a daily occurrence. Then we will be surprised at the positive impact of the results of the spinning vegetables with our kids. We let them touch and play with some cool veggie noodles drizzled with a delicious sauce, and they will be more likely to eat vegetables like carrots and zucchini. We cut the vegetables into the right length. We rotate the knob to a choose of a blade. We hold the spiralizer and twist the lid to get the veggies spiralized. We make healthy and tasty dish we want. And it's really easy to clean and to store. Compared to other large knives, they save spaces. This vegetable spiralizer is easy to carry and it can be used outdoors. We can make it great addition to a picnic. And safe to use. The handheld vegetable slicer holds the foods securely and protects the hands. The handle of the cap is easy to grip and allows us to handle the ends of the vegetables. God, that's really cool. It's a little helper in our kitchen. This is the GLADICER Handheld Spiralizer. It's a 3-in-1 vegetable slicer. Veggie spiral cutter for zucchini spaghetti. It's easy and it's adjustable spiral slicer for low-carb veggie meals. This sounds delicious and this looks delicious. And it is delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. And give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.